Did you know a future president chose to stay locked up for 27 years rather than give up his fight for freedom? Nelson Mandela was offered his release from prison multiple times. All he had to do was promise to stop fighting against unfair laws. Each time he said no. For nearly 3 decades, he lived in a tiny cell on Robben Island. The conditions were harsh. He broke rocks in quarries. He slept on a thin mat. His meals were basic. Guards treated him poorly. But Mandela refused to give up his mission. He believed all people deserved equal rights, no matter their skin color. His country had laws that separated people and treated some unfairly. He knew this was wrong. Other world leaders begged him to accept freedom. His family wanted him home. Still, he stayed strong. His sacrifice inspired millions around the world. Eventually, the unfair system fell apart. When Mandela finally walked free, he became his nation's first black president. Sometimes the greatest heroes are those who choose the harder path to help others find freedom.